Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 11 from chapter section formula. So let us continue with question number 13. There are two parts. First part, in what ratio does the point 5, minus 4 divide the line segment joining the points 2, 1 and 7, 6. Second part, in what ratio does the point minus 4, b divide the line segment joining the points p 2, minus 2 and q minus 14, 6. Hence find the value of b. Two parts hai, both the parts are different, they are not related to each other. Okay, so दोनों में we have to find the ratio. Okay, दोनों में the question is similar, both we have to find ratio, that is m and n का values is not given, we have to find that. So in what ratio does the point 5, 4 divide the line segment? This point is dividing the segment. Okay, ये point divide कर रहा है. So this point is somewhere in between. 5, 4 is somewhere in between. And it is dividing a segment joining the points 2, 1 and 7, 6. So 2, 1 है. First we'll draw the first one. 2, 1 comes first and then comes 7, 6. So line segment is formed joining these two points. End points ये दोनों है. And there is some point in between which is dividing it in some ratio. Okay, we don't know the ratio, find out करना है. So m and n we don't know, we need to find out. So coordinates दिया हुआ है तीनों points का. Let us name the points first. Let's say this is A, this is B and let this be P. ये हो जाएगा x1, y1, ये हो जाएगा x2, y2. End points हमेशा x1, y1 and x2, y2. Which formula you will apply? Over here ratio we don't know, so it is unknown. Unequal consider करते हैं, so whenever it is unequal we consider section formula. So we'll apply section formula over here. Okay, if you apply section formula तो p का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? What is the formula for x coordinate and y coordinate? X coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. And y coordinate, same logic, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now m and n we don't know, but x2 x1 पता है, y2 y1 पता है. So we'll substitute the values over here. So m as it is रखेंगे, x2 क्या है 7 है, n as it is x1 is 2 and upon m plus n. Same thing यहाँ पे, m y2 is 6 and n as it is y1 is 1 upon m plus n. So it will be 7m plus 2n upon m plus n and 6m plus 1n is n upon m plus n. Now ये p का coordinates होगा by section formula. p का coordinates दिया हुआ है, it is 5, 4. X coordinate is 5, y coordinate is 4. But by section formula we are getting this. अब p का दो coordinates तो हो नहीं सकता, 2x coordinates and 2y coordinates, not possible. So it will have only one x coordinate and only one y coordinate. So this has to be equal to this and this has to be equal to this. So 5 is equal to 7m plus 2n upon m plus n and 4 is equal to 6m plus n upon m plus n. कोई भी एक consider करो, you don't need to consider both. Any one you will consider and find out the ratio of m is to n. Okay, ratio of m and n you have to find out. So how will you solve this? पहले ये consider कर ले. Any one you can consider students, you will get the correct answer. So I'll consider the first one. अगर ये consider किया, so how will we get the ratio? let's shift this over here. So 5 into m plus n, put brackets because you will multiply this with both the terms, is equal to 7m plus 2n. So 5m plus 5n is equal to 7m plus 2n. Now m साथ में ग्रुप करते हैं, n साथ में ग्रुप करते हैं. So let's shift 5m over here and 2n over here. So 7m minus 5m and 5n minus 2n. So 3n is equal to 2m. रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है, m अपॉन n, दैट इज m इज टू n फाइंड आउट करना है. सो m को एज इट इज रखते हैं, n को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे, सो m अपॉन n हो जाएगा. एंड 3 को एज इट इज रखते हैं, 2 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, 3 अपॉन 2. दिस वी आर शिफ्टिंग ओवर हियर, so it will go in denominator, and 2 we are shifting over here. Basically variable on one side and number on the other side. So m upon n we are getting as 3 upon 2. So m is to n is 3 is to 2. So even if you consider this one, okay, 6m plus n upon m plus n is equal to 4, you will still get the same answer. So any one of the two you have to consider, either x coordinate or y coordinate. Okay, so this is how you will solve and get the ratio. So you will get it as 3 is to 2. Okay, same thing for the second question. Okay, second part, but the coordinates are different, so the ratio will be different. So let us solve this properly now. So write down, let a be x1 y1, which is 2 comma 1, b be x2 y2, which is 7 comma 6, and p be equal to 5 comma 4. The points are not given, okay, name नहीं किया है, so we'll just name the points. Coordinates को name करना पड़ेगा. So this is how we are considering. First you will write this down. Now let p divide segment AB in the ratio m is to n. So write down, let p divide segment AB in the ratio m is to n. m and n find out करना है. We'll use section formula. So by section formula, since we are using this, you have to write this down using section formula or by section formula. p का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? p का coordinates, x coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So यहाँ पे brackets में coordinates लिख दो, I forgot to write down. So p 5 comma 4, I forgot to write this, it will be m into x2 is 7 plus n into x1 is 2 upon m plus n, and m into y2 is 6 and n into y1 is 1 upon m plus n. So p 5 comma 4, 7m plus 2n upon m plus n and 6m plus n upon m plus n हो जाएगा. We cannot solve any further. We know that 5 will be equal to this and 4 will be equal to this. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने चेक किया था, if you take x coordinate, if you equate this, तो you're getting the ratio m is to n का value मिल रहा है. Let us see if we are getting the same thing for the y coordinate. So over here I am going to equate this. Let's see. 4 will be equal to 6m plus n upon m plus n. So m plus n यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, put brackets. So 4m plus 4n is equal to 6m plus n. We'll group m together and n together. So 6m minus 4m and 4n minus n. So 3n is equal to 2m. m is to n find करना है, that is m upon n. So variable on one side, n denominator में जाएगा and number on the other side. So 3 as it is, 2 will shift over here. So m upon n is 3 upon 2. सेम मिल रहा है, जब हम लोग ने x को भी इक्वेट किया था तो सेम मिल रहा था. यू शुड गेट इट सेम. ओके, सो m upon n is equal to 3 upon 2. So after this, write down properly the ratio in which the segment AB is divided by point P is 3:2. Okay, so numerator pehle, then denominator. Alright, don't forget this statement and box this. Now we'll move on to the second part of the question. Let's see how to solve the second part of the question. In what ratio does the point minus 4 comma b divide the line segment joining the points p 2 comma minus 2 and q minus 14 comma 6? Hence find the value of b. It is similar to the previous question. Ratio nahi pata hai. A segment is being divided into two parts by a point. So segment is formed joining the points P and Q. Read the question carefully. This point is dividing the segment and the segment is formed joining the points P and Q. So P and Q. P का coordinates है 2 comma minus 2 and Q का coordinates है minus 14 comma 6. This is forming a segment. And this point is dividing the segment in two parts. So this point is lying somewhere in between. So let this point be R. इसका coordinates है minus 4 comma B. B is unknown, B find out करना है. And also ये जो दो parts है उसका ratio find out करना है. M is to N you have to find out. So ratio find out करने के लिए we'll apply section formula. Okay, even to find the coordinates of this we'll apply section formula. So by section formula r का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? You will apply that to find the coordinates of r only, है ना? So by section formula r का coordinates क्या है? It will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, है ना? ये x1 y1 है, ये x2 y2 है. n points we'll always take as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So by formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. ये x coordinate हो गया. y coordinate क्या हो जाएगा? my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. x1 x2 we know, y1 y2 also we know. So we'll put the values over here. So क्या हो जाएगा? m into x2 is minus 14 and n into x1 is 2 upon m plus n. Same thing यहाँ पे, m into y2 is 6 and n into y1 is minus 2 upon m plus n. So opening the brackets, minus 14 into m minus 14m plus 2 into n 2n upon m plus n. 6 into m 6m and minus 2 into n minus 2n upon m plus n. These are the x and y coordinates of r bisection formula. But we are already told कि r का x and y coordinates ये है. अब r का 2x coordinate और 2y coordinate नहीं हो सकता है. It can have only one x coordinate and one y coordinate. So this x coordinate has to be equal to this and this y coordinate has to be equal to this. So minus 4 will be equal to minus 14m plus 2n upon m plus n. Okay, minus 4 इससे equal होगा and b will be equal to this. B will be equal to 6m minus 2n upon m plus n. We need to find the ratio first. रेशियो जब तक नहीं मिलेगा, m and n नहीं मिलेगा, तब तक b का वैल्यू we cannot find because m and n is required over here. So m and n कहाँ से मिलेगा? From this one. X coordinate equate करके we will get m and n. So you will solve this. Okay, ये solve करेंगे, m upon n find out करेंगे. Once you get m upon n, that is m is to n, you got the values of m and n. Substitute करो and you will get the value of b. That is, you will get the y coordinate of r. Very easy. Okay, so let us solve now. First we'll write down the given and proper manner and then solve. First we'll write down the endpoints. Okay, endpoints are considered as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So P we have taken as x1, y1 and the coordinates. Q we have taken as x2, y2 and the coordinates. जो point divide कर रहा है that is not named, so we are considering it as R. Okay, so R is equal to minus 4 comma B. Write this down. R is dividing the segment in the ratio m is to n, so write that down as well. After this section formula apply कर रहे हैं, so by section formula R का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? So write down the formula. Now first we'll solve this. Okay, x1 x2 का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं, y1 y2 का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं and then we'll equate this x coordinate and y coordinate. So r minus 4 comma b क्या है? m into x2, x2 is minus 14 plus n into x1, x1 is 2 upon m plus n. y coordinate क्या हो जाएगा? m into y2 is 6 and plus n into y1 is minus 2 upon m plus n. So same thing, you'll write this down. Minus 14m plus 2n upon m plus n and 6m minus 2n हो जाएगा. Plus into minus minus 2 into n, 2n upon m plus n. So this is equal to minus 4 and this is equal to b. So we'll equate the two now. So minus 4 is equal to minus 14m plus 2n upon m plus n. m plus n यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, so minus 4 into m plus n put brackets, दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई होगा नंबर, is equal to minus 14m plus 2n. So minus 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 14m plus 2n. So we'll get mm साथ में ग्रुप करते हैं, so we'll shift m over here. 14m पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, minus 4m as it is and n को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे, 2n as it is plus 4n. So 14 minus 4 10m and 2 plus 4 6n. We need the ratio m upon n चाहिए, so m we'll keep as it is, n we'll shift, so denominator में जाएगा. 6 as it is, 10 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, so 6 upon 10. 2 3s are 2 5s are, so m upon n is 3 upon 5. We got the ratio, it is 3:5. Box this and write down the statement. Okay, ये statement लिखना, इसके बाद the ratio in which R divides PQ is 3:5. Okay, after this write down the statement. Now we still have to find B find out करना है, so we know that B is equal to this. So m and n का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट कर सकते हैं, अब m is 3 n is 5, so we'll put the values and find out B का वैल्यू. So B is equal to 6m minus 2n upon m plus n. सो m क्या है, 3 है, n 5, ओके, एंड अगेन m 3, n 5, सो b is equal to 6 3s are 18 minus 2 5s are 10 upon 3 plus 5 8. So b is equal to 8 upon 8. So b is equal to 1. Write down after this the value of b is 1. So box this and write down the statement. Let's read the next question, question number 14. The line segment joining A 2, 3 and B 6, minus 5 is intersected by x-axis at a point K. Write down the ordinate of the point K, hence find the ratio in which K divides AB. Also find the coordinates of the point K. There is a line segment joining A and B. Normally, what do we do? Normally हम लोग A consider करेंगे ऐसे and then B and joining the two we draw the segment, है ना? Here we are not going to do that. I'll tell you why. The line segment joining A and B is intersected by x-axis at point K. It is being intersected by x-axis. It is being cut by x-axis. So x-axis हम लोग को पता है it is like this. Horizontal line है, sleeping line है. So x-axis will be like this. Okay, I did not draw it properly. X-axis will be like this. We'll draw x-axis and now we'll draw AB. So A का दोनों coordinates positive है. So consider it in first quadrant like this. So A and B. Okay, so AB है and it is being cut by x-axis. So A का coordinates is 2, 3 and B का coordinates is 6, minus 5 and it is intersected by x-axis at point K. So it is being intersected at this point, that is K. Okay, we don't know the coordinates of K. Let it be x, y. Now K is lying on the x-axis. It is lying on AB also. It is lying on x-axis also. So जब भी कोई point x-axis पे होता है, उसका y coordinate क्या हो जाएगा? Y coordinate will be 0. So this 0 हो जाएगा, है ना? When any point lies on y-axis, its x coordinate will be 0. So similarly, if any point lies on x-axis, उसका y coordinate is 0. Okay, सिर्फ x coordinate होगा. So x coordinate है, y coordinate is 0 over here for K. So they have asked, write down the ordinate of the point K. Ordinate पूछा है. Ordinate means y coordinate होता है. Okay, so y coordinate will be 0 over here. So ordinate is 0 for K. Next, they have asked, hence find the ratio in which K divides AB. K is dividing AB. So in what ratio? We don't know. We need to find that. So we'll take it as m is to n. A से B जाओ. Okay, A से B, not B to A to B. So A to B, m is to n. Okay, not m is to n, m is to n. So ratio we need to find, that is m is to n we need to find. Also find the coordinates of the point K. K का coordinates find out करना है. We know this, ये 0 है, but this we need to find out. X coordinate क्या है, we need to find out. So once you get x coordinate, you will come to know what are the coordinates of K. M and n पहले find out करना है. Okay, so it is similar to previous question that we had solved. So using section formula, we'll write down the coordinates of K and x coordinate equate करेंगे, y coordinate equate करेंगे. So I am not going to show how to solve. Okay, directly solution start कर देंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे. So we'll write down the given first and then we'll start with the solution. So let ए बी x1 y1 एंड उसका कोऑर्डिनेट्स इज 2,3, बी x2y2 एंड इसका कोऑर्डिनेट्स इज 6, ओके। ये है x1y1, ये है x2y2 and k be x, 0, okay. Why k will be x, 0 क्यों होगा? Because it is lying on the x axis. So actually write this separately only. ये separately लिख लो. Since k lies on x axis, therefore its y coordinate will be 0, okay. So y coordinate is nothing but ordinate, so ordinate will be 0. So write that statement, the ordinate of point k is 0, okay. एक का आंसर मिल गया, okay. They have asked this and after this let the coordinates of k be, k को हम लोग ने क्या ले लिया है? x, 0. x coordinate we don't know, so x coordinate we have taken as x only, okay, small x, 0. So these are the coordinates of k. By section formula, what will be the coordinates of k? K is dividing segment AB in ratio m is to n. So पहले वो लिखेंगे, k is dividing AB in ratio m is to n. So let k divide AB in ratio m is to n. So by section formula, applying section formula, what will be the coordinates of k? क्या होगा? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, क्रिस क्रॉस करना है सिर्फ, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. ये x coordinate, ये y coordinate. We know that any point can have only one x coordinate and one y coordinate, है ना, it cannot have more than one. So x will be equal to this and 0 will be equal to this. हम लोग equate करेंगे, okay. On equating and solving we'll get m and n first, okay. m and n find out करना है. Once you get m and n, you will find out the value of x, क्योंकि we need the coordinates of k. So let us substitute the values of x1, x2 and y1, y2 first. एक बार substitute करते हैं and then see how to solve. So kx, 0, m into x2 है, m into x2 is 6 and n into x1 is 2 upon m plus n. For y, we have m into y2 which is -5 plus n into y1 which is 3 upon m plus n. So opening the bracket, 6 into m, 6m plus 2n upon m plus n, and -5 into m, -5m plus 3 into n, 3n upon m plus n. So इससे ज़्यादा सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हैं, we'll stop over here. Now we'll equate x is equal to this and 0 is equal to this. Which one you will take first? किससे हम लोग को m और n का वैल्यू मिलेगा पहले? ये वाला y कोऑर्डिनेट है ना. We know y coordinate is 0, so 0 equal to this. We'll solve and first we'll find out the ratio m is to n. Till you don't get m and n, तब तक हम लोग x नहीं फाइंड आउट कर सकते, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ k नहीं फाइंड आउट कर सकते. सो फर्स्ट वील इक्वेट दीज टू. ओके, सो 0 is equal to minus 5m plus 3n upon m plus n. So m plus n, if you shift over here, 0 into anything, 0. So 0 is equal to minus 5m plus 3n. Okay, 5m को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं. So 5m becomes plus 5m is equal to 3n. m upon n we need to find out. So m as it is रखते हैं, n we'll shift. So m upon n is equal to 3 as it is, 5 को यहाँ पे shift करेंगे. So m upon n is 3 upon 5, that is m is to n is 3 is to 5. So m is to n is 3 is to 5. We got the ratio, box this. Okay. Write down the ratio in which k divides AB is 3 is to 5. So write down the statement. Okay, पूरा statement ये लिखो. The ratio in which k divides AB is 3 is to 5. ये मिल गया. Now we need to find the coordinates of k. y coordinate तो हम लोग को पता है 0 है. x coordinate find out करना है. x coordinate find out करने के लिए we know x is equal to this. We'll substitute the values of m and n. m is 3 and n is 5. And let's find out the value of x. Equating x coordinate. So x is equal to 6m plus 2n upon m plus n. m is 3, n is 5. So 6 into 3 plus 2 into 5 upon 3 plus 5. 18 plus 2 5s are 10 upon 8. So 28 upon 8. So that will give you 4 2s are 4 7s are 7 upon 2, that is 3.5 in decimals we are getting. So box this. We found the x coordinate of k, it is 7 by 2. Keep it as it is only, decimal mat find out karo. Okay, so write down the coordinates of k are x comma 0, that is 7 by 2 comma 0. Okay, so don't forget the statement and box the value.